Your Amex points are a goldmine for travel, but the best way to use them isn't always the most obvious. Let's unlock the secrets to booking flights. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You have two main paths. First, booking directly through the Amex travel portal on your account. It's simple. Your points are worth a fixed value, often 1 cent each, toward any flight. Just search, select, and pay with points. The second, more valuable method is transferring points to airline partners. Go to the Transfer Points section. You can move your points to airlines like Delta, British Airways, or Air Canada. Then, book award flights directly on their websites, where you can often get outsized value, sometimes 2 cents or more per point. My crucial pro tip: always check both options. Search for your desired flight on Amex Travel and note the points cost. Then, check how many miles it would be on partner airline websites. Transferring points can unlock business or first-class seats for a fraction of the portal's price, but it requires a little more research. Turn your everyday spending into your next dream getaway. What's the best flight redemption you've ever gotten with Amex points? Inspire us in the comments. For more smart travel hacking guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.